Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time. It's been about 7 or 8 months. So you're probably wondering where I've been, why I've not uploaded anything. Well, I've had a lot going on here lately. Just recently got married. Been working on a house. Just been trying to get caught up in some things. But now I should be able to get back on track with filming. Got a lot to film. As you can see, the Jeep is pretty much done. I do got the 1-ton axles under it, the Dana 60, and it is huge. It's a lot wider than what I thought. I mean, this Jeep is 10 times bigger than what it used to be. Still some things I need to do to it, but I do got the rear axle in now. I do got to get the rear axle video out. I never did upload anything. But here in the next few videos, I'll explain everything I've done to the Jeep. I'm going to get an off-road video up here soon. We'll do a test with the Jeep. Not really got to test it out a lot since we put the 1-tons on it. Also got a few things for the Duramax. I'm putting a new trailer hitch on it, putting a class 5. And also going to be installing a Gen Y hitch. So there'll be some videos about that coming soon. Guys, I just wanted to let you know that there'll be some videos coming. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.